don't think we're gonna make it, bro. Oh my God! No! Please don't kill me. I got a family, please. Don't take me. Have the crowbar. Lord have mercy, I'm close.